a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson. I'm gonna mess around. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Look out, Jackson town.
Well, I'm going down to Jackson. Go ahead and wreck your health. Go play your hand, you big Dawson, and make a big fool of yourself. Yeah, go to Jackson. Go comb your hair.
Honey, I'm going to snowball Jackson.
See if I care.
In that city, people gonna stoop and bow.
Ha!
All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson, turn my loose and cold, 'cause I'm going to Jackson.
Goodbye, that's all she wrote. But they'll laugh at you in Jackson, and I'll be dancing on a pony cake. We'll lead you round town like a stolen hound, with your tail tucked between your legs. Yeah, go to Jackson. You listen, talking men, and I'll be waiting in Jackson. By cake and pen.
We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson.
Not so fast.
Yeah, we're going to Jackson. Ain't never coming back. Yeah, we got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire.